everybody, and welcome back to Coasters and Coasters. If you're new here, my name is Molly. This is Isaac, and we're so glad you found us.
Tonight we're jumping into Disney California Adventure to see what kind of Halloween fun they got going on. We weren't able to secure Oogie Boogie tickets. It's kind of a bummer. They sold out so fast. So let's see what we can get up to on a non-Oogie Boogie night.
That's right. Let's coast on over. About to jump on Monsters After Dark, which we think is one of the best parts of hitting DCA at Halloween time. Let's go.
Welcome.
That has to be the best ride, the best I mean, we're gonna go on, well, we might go on another Halloween ride. You'll have to wait and see.
Yeah.
But that is so much fun. They did such a great job of making it feel kind of spooky, scary. Unfortunately, they do not let you film at all in the ride, so there won't be any ride footage to include. But man, it's so good, and the whole Mission Breakout, Monsters After Dark theme with the heavy metal music blaring and the drops. Man, that's just the best ride.
It's a bomb. Make sure that when you come for an evening and Halloween time at DCA, you don't miss Cars Land. They've got it decked out. It is amazing. There are so many details to discover. I'm telling you, awesome.
So Cars Land is so cool. They've done a great job of decorating it for Halloween. They've changed a lot of the lights. They put up new things, but check out this car over here. They made this cool spider car you can sit in and take photos with, but if you look really closely, it's a repurposed ride vehicle from Mr. Toad's. Check it out. It's the repurposed Mr. Toad's ride vehicle. Left side, steering wheel. There should be a lap bar that comes down. How cool is that? So all the cones have been transformed into these jack-o'-lantern traffic cones, and even the City Hall building at the end of this street is now alive. There's eyes in the windows, and it makes me wonder, in the Cars universe, in Disney Pixar's Cars movies, are houses alive too? We know cars are alive, but what other inanimate objects now have eyeballs and spirits and souls and are living beings? It's just kind of crazy to think about.
make sure you get over here to the Plaza de la Familia. It is just a beautiful homage to the Mexican holiday, Dia de los Muertos. And you'll see beautiful touches from Coco. It's colorful, it's all lit up, and it's a really special part of this park. Don't miss it. We've been running all around DCA, soaking up all the Halloween time goodness, and now, of course, we're hungry. So we bounced over to the Paradise Garden Grill and grabbed the tortitas de papa. It's a plant-based meal and it smells incredible. I think there are potato cakes. We got some spinach in there, and we also ordered the red sangria. Ooh la la, gotta have something to put on our coaster. Let's see how this is. Oh. Get a little bit of these pickled onions. Wow. The texture of the cakes is thick and just delicious. I don't know how else to describe it. Got some spicy kick in there, but when you get the pickled onions in with the bite, it gives it a real tang and a kick. It's delicious.
To wash down the tortillas de papa, we got the red sangria. It's delicious. It's a nice kind of fruity red wine. My guess is it's probably a Shiraz or something similar with some fruit in there. Delicious.
My turn. Oh yeah. You know what's nice about this red sangria is it doesn't taste syrupy. Sometimes when you get theme park beverages, they may kind of cop out and put sugary syrups in, but this tastes like real sangria, a good wine flavor, and some fresh fruit flavors mixed in as well. Very nice. It's our Oogie Boogie night, so I had to get an Oogie Boogie. You may not know this, but I'm a huge fan of Rice Krispie treats, and when I saw that there was a Rice Krispie treat with gummy worms on the back, I had to snag it. Let's give it a taste. Oh, you guys. The worms actually add a lot. Oh, it makes it more chewy and it gives it more flavor. And it's a good Rice Krispie treat too. Sorry, Oogie Boogie, but I'm just gonna have to eat you. Now I know we came tonight to see all that DCA had to offer for Halloween time on a non-Oogie Boogie Bash evening, but it only felt right to come over to Disneyland to do one specific thing. This week is the last week for Magic Key holders to ride Haunted Mansion Holiday for that extra hour after the park closes. So we thought, why not come over here, get one more late night ride in? Not to mention the fact that Haunted Mansion Holiday and the Nightmare Before Christmas overlay is what Oogie Boogie is all based on. So let's hit one more ride before we go tonight. Well, Coaster friends, the verdict is in. It is absolutely worth it to come to DCA and Disneyland on a non-Oogie Boogie night. These parks have so much to offer to get you in the Halloween spirit. And until we see you here next time, we just want to say cheers.